Class, welcome back to your VPS e-learning class, children. As you all know that in the previous classes I have completed the lesson 3 of English language, children. Today I am going to start with your new chapter, that is lesson 3 of English literature course book. So the story name is The Clever Little Tailor. So the story is about a proud princess. So the man who wanted to be her husband, she asked some riddle to him, and if he not give the correct answer, he send him from the scornfully from there. So there are three tailors are there who know that they are eligible for her husband. So when they go to the princess, she asked some question to them, and so the third small tailor give the correct answer. So video is about that, so go through the video. Video is very interesting because there is some story in the in this video, and you have to, if you go through it, then you make it more clear to it. Okay, so let's start the video, children. In class, this is your lesson 3, The Clever Little Tailor of English Literature course book, children. So in this characters are there Princess, Tailor 1, Tailor 2 and Tailor 3. So Tailor 3 is the youngest, who is a little tailor. One servant is there and bear is there. Okay. Prologue. Once there was a proud princess. If a man wanted to get married to her, she gave him some riddle. Means once there was a proud princess. A princess who have always proud with her. If a man wanted to get married to her, she gave him some riddle. When anyone wanted to get married to her, she asked some questions to him. Riddle means some questions, tough questions. So if he couldn't solve it, he was sent away scornfully. Means if he is not able to solve the question, so he was sent away from there scornfully. Scornfully means with no respect. In a small town, there lived three tailors. Thought they were eligible to be her husband and wanted to marry the princess. Eligible means fit to be chosen, beta. Okay. In this, now scene 1 is started at a poor man's courtyard. Scene is playing at a poor man's courtyard. Three tailors enter talking among themselves. Now three tailors who are the brothers, they are talking with each other. Tailor 1 is saying, I have stitched so many beautiful garments skillfully. I am certain that I can succeed. Means they are talking that first tailor is saying to the other two tailors that I have stitched so many beautiful garments, so many beautiful clothes. Skillfully means perfectly. So I am certain that I can succeed. And he can succeed to be married with proud princess. So Tailor 2 is saying, my hands create magic. And I am sure solving a riddle will be a piece of cake. Second tailor is saying to that, my hands create magic. Means I always create magic by baking the cake. And I am sure that I can solve the riddle. So Tailor 3, I will try my best to win the prince's heart. I am sure I can solve the riddle. Now these three brothers are talking with each other and they are saying their statements. Okay. Tailor 1, just stay at home. Tailor 1 is saying to Tailor 3 that you can stay at home. Tailor 2 is also saying to Tailor 3, you can't do much with your little bit of understanding, okay? So, it is better to be stay at home. The princess gave more importance to intelligence than to the status of a person. Means, princess is a proud princess, but she gave the importance to the intelligence than the status of a person. So do you think that she was right? So come to the next page, children. Now Tailor 3 is speaking to himself. I am going to be discouraged by their words. I am not going to be discouraged by their words. In this, third Tailor is saying that I am not discouraged. Means I have always the hope to win the heart of princess. So I will solve the puzzle and marry the princess. Come to the scene 2. In this, at the palace, where princess chamber is there, you are seeing the picture in this. This is the princess chamber. A servant stands behind the princess, and the servant is standing behind the princess. Enter the 3 tailors and stand in front of the princess. Now these 3 tailors are standing before the princess. The princess examines the tailors thoroughly. Now princess examining the tailors thoroughly. Princess addressing all 3 tailors. I'll be the most obliged to be one of your wife. Now the princess is saying that I'll be the most obliged to be one of your wife if you solve this riddle. If you can solve this riddle, this question, I'll be yours forever. I have 2 kinds of hair on my head. Now princess asks her question that I have 2 type of hair on my head. What 2 colors are they? She's asking that what 2 colors are there. So Tailor 1 is saying that if that's all, I think it must be black and white like the cloth which is called pepper and salt. So the first tailor said that it will be black and white in color like pepper and salt. Princess, no, I am afraid. Let the second one answer. She said that now I am afraid, but you can stop and the second one give the answer. Tailor 2. If it is not black and white, then it's brown and red. And if it is not black and white, then it is brown and red in color. Tailor 2 has said, like my father's company coat. Princess, well, you got it wrong too. Now princess said that you also give the wrong answer. Let the third one answer. Now I feel he knows it certainly. She said that Tailor 3 know the answer. Tailor 3 stepping forth boldly. Now he came forward. The princess has silver and golden hair on her head. Now the third tailor answered that princess has silver and golden hair on her head. Princess nearly falling with terror and then getting up. Now she is in terror and getting up. How could you? I mean you are right. Princess is satisfied with the third tailor's answer and she said that you are right. But you are not there yet. In the stable is a bear with whom you shall spend the night. You given the correct answer, but there is some more thing that you have to do. In the stable is a bear with whom you have to spend the night. And when I get up in the morning, if you are still alive, I will marry you. You go to there and you spend the night with the bear, and if you are still alive, I will marry you. So you know that where to take him. Take the other 2 gentlemen to the guest room. Now princess given the order to take 2 gentlemen to the guest room. Tailor 3 boldly ventured in his half won. Now Tailor 3 is very happy that he half of the match he has won. So servant, if you will follow me, sir. The 3 tailors and the servant exit. Now 3 tailors and the servant exit from the room. Princess, the bear will mangle him to a pulp. Now princess is very happy that bear mangle him to a pulp. So you have to complete up to this today, okay? And if you feel any problem, you can ask me in the class group, children, okay? So see the video properly and stay happy and stay safe. Thank you.